Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you two websites, Codility and CoderPad. Both of them should help you get a job as a developer, or at least show you your options on the market. I will leave the link in the description for both of these websites underneath this video, and I'll try to explain you the pros and cons and which one is better, at least in my opinion. So let's start with the first one, with Codility. Codility makes hiring developers fast and efficient. Candidates are evaluated based on technical skills that matter the most to you, enabling hiring managers to build high-performing, diverse teams that power growth. It's really nice, even style-wise. This website, what they're doing, they're basically remote hiring, hire at scale, build the diverse teams, and hire senior developers, for example. It's very nice, kind of quite a big names behind it, and I really like it. They're more professional, they are more oriented towards bigger enterprises, at least from my point of view. And when we check the product tours, they are basically doing the job for you at hiring people. They are making an interviews, they are looking for the right one according to their tests and their ways of doing hiring. They are working in 40 and more languages. You can even check what you are specify or what you are specifically looking for: front-end developer, back-end developer, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, and data scientist. So when we want to check the pricing, that's the first thing that I don't really like. They are not transparent about their pricing plans. That could be leans towards they are more expensive, or they are really trying to tailor the offer for you personally. Like if you have some, if you're a bigger company, you don't really fit into any basket with the budget options, because even the most expensive one are just not enough for you. So you have to just submit the request and they'll get in touch with you. You can also get a demo, but yet again, it's not that easy. You have to give them your account number, your business email, and all the other stuff. When we take a look on the CoderPad, I like it more already. You can see that you are even able to integrate it with your softwares, and it's really simpler. It's a coding interview platform, same as Codility. They are not very oriented into customers per se. I mean, for coders. So you can't really do your own thing at CoderPad and learn to code, for example, as LeetCode is providing. But yeah, I really like this website. So basically, when you are scrolling down, you have some background info about them, about pricing plans. And that's what I really like too. There's free trial, which is really easy to set up for 7 days of unlimited access. And you have 3 budget groups. Personal is $50 a month. Single plan with candidates on writing working code. 5 interviews and so on. Then team, $250 a month. 30 interviews. All personnel feature, which is this one. And then up to 20 user accounts, role-based permission, NTS, and so on. And then the business for $750 a month, 90 interviews, 15 interviews for overages, and all the features of Plus all the team features, up to 50 user, invoicing, CML, and 40 and plus example questions. So on these example questions, you can capitalize and you can basically work by yourself on them. It's a really nice way. I have to say that I like CoderPad better for what they are providing to the coding interview industry. You have 30 plus languages, assessments, take homes, live interviews, draw mode, integration, and also there's a demo. So I would go really with CoderPad because they are more transparent and you can really take a hint of what they are doing, providing, and what's the cost. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe or like. If you have any other questions, please leave them underneath this video. We'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. So thanks for watching once again and see you on the other one.